Hello friends, it's Chantel here with another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to add Google Analytics to your WordPress blog. It's going to be so simple. Let's get started. Before I begin, I want to let you know that I am assuming that you already have a WordPress site and that you already have created a Google Analytics account for that WordPress site. But you just need to connect the two in order to get that data from your website to your Google Analytics site. So this here is my demo site, and this is the site where I will be adding my Google Analytics. Now, I got this message from a video on YouTube. I will link that video in the description. I highly suggest you watch that video. His is a little bit outdated because Google Analytics has updated, and so his is a little outdated, but the information that he gives you is very valuable. He tells you he explains to you the different parameters in Google Analytics and also Google Search Console, which really clarified some things for me in terms of when I'm looking at my data in Google Search Console. Now I understand what I'm looking at because of his video. So I highly recommend that you watch his video if you're really serious about understanding the data that you're capturing. All right, so let's begin. To begin, go ahead and log into your WordPress site. Here you can see I am logged into mine. And you're going to go to your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand side, you're going to scroll down and go to Plugins, Add New. You're going to look for the plugin that is called Google Site Key. Like I said, the video I got this from, I linked it in the description. I highly recommend you go and look at that video. He explains so many things about how to read your data so well. All right, press install now. And once it is installed, click activate. Okay, now that we have our plugin activated, we need to set it up. So you're going to sign in with Google, and I'm assuming that you already have a Google account. And then you just allow, and then it's going to ask you to set up Search Console, and you press set up. And you press next, and you're just going through the setup. So I haven't set up, of course, a Search Console for this account, but it's telling me that by doing this, by going through this setup, it will create both a Google Analytics 4 and a Universal Analytics property. Google Analytics 4 is new. That is going to be replacing the Universal Analytics property. So I'm just giving it permission to do all of these things. And let's see. It took me straight to Google Analytics. It says your analytics account was successfully created. And then when you go back to your WordPress site, you will see on your dashboard traffic, content, speed, and monetization. And there you have it. And that's it. Now everything is set up. That was quick and simple and the easiest way I have ever found to add Google Analytics onto my WordPress site. I will link this plugin in the description below. It is free and it is easy to set up. I also, like I said, I recommend watching the original video where I got this from because he explains everything about analytics, how to read your data, everything about Google Search Console. It's a very thorough video, very good video to watch if you're really serious about collecting and understanding your data. Well, that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked it, and please share it.